YouTube, what's up, man? What's up? I'm back. Sorry about the wait. Sorry about the delay, man. Your boy got a new job, and it's been beating me up, bro. It's been beating my ass. A lot of long nights, but you know, it's been cool. It's been rewarding, man. I do a lot of different things, but one of the things I picked up over the last few months was doing this online sales training, and you know, it's been rewarding. It's been rewarding. So part of that job, I had to record myself when I'm on camera just for liability. So the scene that you guys are looking at right now is a scene from March, or it's a training session from March. So let's not even call this a 1-year update. Let's call this an 11-month update. I promise I'll be back in a few more months because I feel like my hair is still growing in certain spots. I've been cutting my own hair. Since about January. YouTube has been real resourceful because I've seen a lot of guys doing self-cuts. And because I'm doing this online job, I have to keep my appearance a little bit tighter, a little bit neater than what I normally do. You know, y'all saw me my first few months. I was letting everything just grow out and say F it. I was thugging it out real heavy, man, but I gotta keep a little bit tighter appearance, so I don't really have the time or the money to keep going every week and a half. You know, one thing they don't tell y'all about hair transplants is, you know, your hair, I guess it depends. I guess everybody's different, so I'm not gonna generalize it, but for me, you know, I had hair growing in different parts, you know, my first few months. So like one side or one area of my hair might be longer than the other, and this, that, and the third. So you really gotta get your hair trained and get your hair used to, you know, it's basically new hair. You know, so new hair is gonna kind of grow all over the place. So you gotta get that hair trained. And the way my hair is, it grows and then it curls up tight into naps and knots. So, you know, just having to retrain my hair is just, you know, that's been a process in itself. But, man, the game has really exploded, man. The game has really exploded. So many more resources now. I'm seeing guys post their hair transplants on Twitter. You know, it's like everything is different now from what it was when I first started checking 2 years ago. When I first started looking into a hair transplant, it was a large contingent of guys who went to Asli. But now, if you look online, you got guys now posting videos. They went to Hair in Istanbul. They went to Dr. Cynic. They went to Dr. K-Maz. They're doing it in the States. So it's just a lot more options now. A lot more options that I didn't have. But that's great because the whole reason why I started these videos, and I'm not a vlogger. I'm not a video guy, bro. I'm not a video producer. I'm not none of that. I'm just a regular guy who was trying to put out there for other guys like me that you can get your lineup and shape up back if you wanted it. That's the whole reason why I started these videos. I didn't start them for anybody's approval. I didn't start them, you know, to look at myself and all that other shit. I just wanted to put the word out, man, that guys could get their lineup back. So it's great to see where the community has gone or grown or how it's grown within the last 2 years. It's not a one spot for all. Would I recommend Asli? Nah, because remember when I first started doing, you know, the research for my hair transplant, I first inquired with Hair in Istanbul, but they turned me down, you know, for whatever reason. And Asli took me. You know, I was scheduled to go someplace in Florida, but I didn't go. I ended up going out to Asli. The reason why I say, you know, what I've done it again differently is because I'm still not satisfied with my donor on my right side. This video right here is on my right side, but you know, a lot of guys who go to Asli, they always have that indentation in the back of where they got the transplant done at. Even if the hair fills in and grows back in, you can still see that indentation. And that's what I don't like. You know, when I first started the research, I was coming from a position of desperation, you know what I'm saying? Because I was desperate to get my lineup back. But had I taken the time and really researched more and been a little bit more patient, then I probably would have went somewhere else, even though Hair in Istanbul, you know, had denied me the first time around. But it's not a one shot for all, man. I've seen guys go in the States and pay, you know, a guap of money and not be satisfied with the first transplant, gotta get a second transplant done or a third transplant. I've seen guys go to Hair in Istanbul and not be satisfied with the first one, gotta go back for a second one, Asli too. So, you know, a lot of these places are just hit or miss. You know, you really gotta know your body, really gotta know your hair, and, you know, just make an educated decision, man. But you know, I appreciate all the followers, appreciate all the subscribers. I appreciate everybody, you know, checking in and viewing these videos. I'm only doing this to kind of give back to the community, show other men that y'all can get y'all lineup back, man. I'll be back in a few months. Appreciate y'all riding with me. I'll see y'all soon.